Advanced writing skill, debate writing. In writing section, it comes as a very long answer type question. Generally, there is a choice between internal choice between debate writing, article writing, speech writing, and report writing. Before proceeding further, what is a debate? Debate is a formal discussion on a particular topic in which opposing ideas or arguments are put forward and which results or ends with a vote. Why do we debate? Debating can be an effective and practical learning tool. How? Because it develops several different qualities among students. The first and foremost is collecting and organizing ideas, then evaluating those ideas, then seeing logical connection between ideas, adapting to new situations quickly, and speaking persuasively. There are some tips to attempt a question on debate writing. The first and foremost step is to choose the side, whether you want to write for or against the motion. Always try to select the side you personally want to support and have more material information to write on. It is preferable to make a choice during the reading time. An ideal debate must consist of 4 paragraphs, namely, you can note it down, students: introduction or salutations, the problem or the body, solution, and the conclusion. For example, suppose two people are arguing on the topic. You have to find the topic for me. Oh, social media. I cannot do anything without my internet. I cannot live a day without Facebook and WhatsApp. Dear, in my opinion, this is an addiction. You should not waste your time on social media. Try to read books or print media. Now, here I presented 2 arguments in which one was supporting a particular topic and the other person was against that. So, what is the topic I was debating about? Yes, about social media. So, you should be clear about the topic on which you have to debate. You can either present your ideas for the motion or against the motion. You should be clear whether you want to present your ideas for the motion, in the favor of the motion, or against the motion. Now comes introduction, the first paragraph. This includes salutations and the topic including for, against the motion. For example, good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. You can start your debate good morning like this. Good morning everyone. Esteemed judges, honorable guests, respected teachers and my fellow friends. Then introduce yourself. I, name given in the question, or else you use XYZ. Don't reveal your personal information here. I feel honored to have been given the opportunity to speak for the motion or against the topic. Name of the topic. Then comes the body or the problem. This is the main paragraph or body of your answer. Always begin with the meaning of the topic or explanation of the topic in not more than a line. Then start quoting the issues. Now here it is important for you to follow a sequence. It is possible that you may have too many points or very few points. When you have a lot of varied points, it is better for you to choose a few best ones and write a line on each. In case you have very few already, explain them in at least 2 lines each. Make sure you are clear with your thoughts. Only then you will be able to put them into words unambiguously. Here are some of the debating phrases or language that we can use while writing debate. For example, these are the introducing arguments. While introducing your arguments, you can use these phrases. Let me come to my first point, or the second argument. Let me come to my next argument. My first point is the first reason why we are proposing or opposing the motion is. There are many examples for this. For instance, in fact, you can find many examples for this in real life. Just think of a situation, and there are similar cases, such as so. In the simple example, we can clearly see the effect of so, as we have seen, and therefore. Now, because of this, we have to support this motion. These are some of the very important phrases that we use while writing debate or while debating. Now comes the second last paragraph, that is solution. For every problem there is a solution. This paragraph needs to be short and crisp. You are supposed to give a rational and practical solution for all the above problems. In case you are not able to figure one out, keep in mind a few general ones. It could involve spreading awareness, campaigns, stringent laws, and their strict implementation, education, etc. Using a quote never hurts. It can be general ones like on working together. Every situation can be faced and solved if there is unity. So here are a few handy ones. There are some of the quotes that you can use here. Wherever there is unity, there is always victory. Unity is strength. United we stand, divided we fall, and many more. Now comes the conclusion part. This part involves clarification of your statement and the stance along with thanking the audience for being such patient listener. This paragraph needs to be short and precise. Here also you could add some glitter to your art piece with some quotes like the word impossible itself says I am possible. See, you could add some glitter to the art piece. So debate writing is a piece of art and you can further enhance its beauty by adding quotations to it. Here comes the marking scheme for debate writing. So this question is of 10 marks, in which 1 mark is your for opening address and the conclusion. 4 marks are for content and 5 marks are divided into grammatical accuracy and expression, that is coherence and relevance of ideas and style. So dear students, I hope now you are ready to write a debate, and I am going to give you a very simple topic to write debate on. The topic is the only way to minimize human suffering is to control. Is to control our needs. You can read it again. The only way to minimize human sufferings is to control our needs. You can relate this topic to the present situation of this pandemic. You see, we are living on minimum needs. We are not going out. We are managing with the things which are at our homes. So by controlling our needs, we have controlled our suffering also. Because of the lockdown, the number of cases of corona or the pandemic have reduced, and more and more people are safe inside their homes. So if we minimize our needs, we can control our suffering. That is the topic. You can write either for the motion, that is yes, we have to minimize our needs, or against the motion, that human suffering is not at all related to our needs, that is against the motion. Thank you, dear friends.